Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Yt Dlp and confirming it runs Yt Dlp version. Once done, make sure FFmpeg is installed and accessible so downloads can be post-processed. If you need account-only content, export cookies, or grab an authenticated headers, file and place it next to your command. This avoids live logins. Now open a terminal in the target folder so files land where you want them. This gets you from nothing to a runnable environment immediately. You craft the core command, Yt Dlp fbist video plus bist audio merge output format MP40%, title s%, ID s, %ext s URL. Why? Because separate streams yield higher quality and FFmpeg merges them. Once done, add write subs, sublang, and embed subs if you want captions, or extract audio format MP3 to get audio. Make sure to include cookies, TXT or add header if needed, and consider limit rate or throttled rate. You finalize by running the command and checking the merged file in your folder. Use embed thumbnail and add metadata for a complete file. Once done, clean temporary files or move them to organized folders. If an extractor breaks, update Yt Dlp with Yt Dlp-U because changes on sites often require updates. If things go wrong, rerun with V to view debug output and retry with cookies or adjusted user agent. That single debug run usually reveals the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.